So today is the day before Father's Day. So I guess this is an early Father's Day treat to myself. Where is Anisha? Yes. So as you can see today, I treat myself to some Venous flytrap. Ooh. So we just come from Lowe's, just walking around like every man do sometimes. You want to go to a hardware store or some kind of tool store. So we go to Lowe's today. So anyway, I always want these, I get them sometimes, but they always seem to die. But then, I found out exactly why they might be dying. So we're going to get some new ones, and then hopefully we can make them last a little bit longer. So real quick, what we have here is the two Venous flytrap plants that I have. I got them from Lowe's. As you can see, the prices on the back is $4.98 for one. So about $9 and some change for these two small plants, as you can see. And then also, if anybody ever think that you put these things in dirt, you don't. The dirt is too rich for them. The nutrients you get is basically from eating all of the little insects and whatever, so you don't need to use the dirt. So you actually use this moss type. Basically it's moss. So I also got this orchard moss from Lowe's. This was another $4. It cost the same price as the Venous flytrap, so it's a pretty decent size. So if you want to take them out, which I'm going to do, and I kind of cut like a juice container to make them fit in here, I'm going to put 2 in 1. And then one thing to remember, you don't use regular water on these, you have to use distilled water or rainwater. And since it's raining right now so much in Florida, I'm going to collect the rainwater and store it and use it for water them. So you just basically keep it in warm, humid places. When it was in the package, it had this over the plant root to keep the moisture. You can see that moisture still on the plastic a little bit. So I'm going to find a way to basically manipulate that over here with this, and then hopefully these last for a long time and eat some of these big blasted flies we have around here, because I don't know why to them. They come like the fly them big, right Nisha? Them big and this gusting and one just land pan you and won't just leave you alone. So happy Father's Day to the brethren them out there. Treat to yourself if you must have to. You understand? This is my treat. So yeah, Venous flytrap. So I'm going to do a look before and after. So this is basically what me have. So pick what type of pot you want to put yours in, or if you want just leave it in a small one as a little science project and whatever, see what they do. But I'm going to try to make it last, so I'm put them in a bigger pot. Probably get like a little grow light to keep it warm in the winter time if it survive that long. And hopefully next year me have these same plants again. Alright. So this is what it looked like after I transplanted the Venous flytraps into my little container that I'm going to use. As you can see, the new moss isn't discolored. The old moss is still, is wet and damp, so I'm going to actually use some rainwater since it's been raining so much, and go ahead and damp it. You do need to make sure you have your holes in the bottom so the water can run off. It will kill it if the water sits in it. It's not good for the plant, so it does need a runoff. So these things, they don't really have a lot of roots, so you need to be careful when you're handling the plants. They eat other bugs, but they're very delicate. So it's a cool little project to do. Hopefully it grow, hopefully it's alive next year. So happy Father's Day to me. Big up on yourself.